How to add AdSense code to WordPress. But before that, if you don't know what is WordPress, it is a popular open source content management system used for creating and managing websites and blogs. And now the first thing that you need to do is to simply go to your WordPress.com and simply sign in your WordPress account in here. And in adding your AdSense code to WordPress, we need to install the plugins and activate it in here. However, you must have an upgrade account in order to do so in here. So to do that, just simply click the plugins button on the left side panel here and simply click this add new plugin, in which upon clicking on it, you'll be directed on this page. And from here, just simply go to the search bar and can search for header and footer. And by clicking on it, it will show you below some of the result in here that might help us to add an AdSense code to WordPress. And as you can see in here, we have here a variety of options to choose from. But in all of those options, I'm going to choose this WP code. So to proceed, kind of click the install button, and after that, all you need to do is wait for it to load until it shows you this button that says activate. And after activating this WP code, insert headers and footers plugins, you'll automatically be directed on this page right here where it will show you that the plugin is now being activated. And proceed by going on the left side panel and kindly proceed by clicking add snippets, or alternatively you can simply go to your plugins and click install plugins and simply find here this WP code light and just click this code snippets, and by doing so you will automatically be directed on this page. And to add a new one, just click this add new button on the top right corner, and after that just simply click this add custom snippet. By doing so you will be directed in this page, and just choose in here to select the code type, which is HTML for snippet. And now to start adding the AdSense code, just simply go to your AdSense account or Google AdSense in here and simply sign in your account or your Google account in here. Or you can sign in by simply entering here your website of your WordPress, and also by choosing your country payment in here or territory. And after that, just click start using AdSense to proceed signing in. And after that, you will be directed in here and just click the site section on the left side panel, where you can start verifying your own website or your ownership of the website in here. And to do that, kind of click this one. Then it will show you in here the code of it. And just simply click this copy code to start copying it before verifying it. Now by simply copying it, just simply paste it in here on WP code. But make sure to also add a title in here. For example, I'm going to enter the title AdSense snippets. And after that, just proceed by simply pasting here the code below. However, make sure to also not change anything in here, which is the default, this auto insert, any device type, and many more. And now to proceed, just click the save snippet button on the top right corner. And you should be able to update this snippet. And after that, just click these boxes and click verify to proceed. And after that, you should be able to verify your ownership to your website of your WordPress, in which the purpose of adding AdSense code in your WordPress is to enable Google AdSense advertisements on your website, allowing you to earn revenue from the traffic your site receives. And overall, that is just basically how to add AdSense code to WordPress.